Hi, Lily Ruth. Happy birthday. 50 ka na ngayon. Tandaan mo. Kailangan mag-dieta ka na dyan, ha? Kasi 50. Kailangan magpa-doktor ka na rin. Humingi ka ng advice dun sa dyan. Kung anong mga kailangan. Magpa-doktor ka na kahit once a year lang. Tsaka ang taba mo pa. Lakad mo pa, iba. Kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka sa katawan mo kasi ikaw nagdadala yan. Enjoy sa pagkain. Sana nandyan ako. Wala malayo pero malapit na rin kasi nag-greet naman kita. Yan lang masasabi ko. Basta mag-ingat ka dyan, alagay mong katawan mo. Dahil malayo ka, kami nandito. Basta marami ka naman kasama dyan. Mabait naman mga kasama mo, pati si madam sige, enjoy your day. Happy eating.
Hello, Rod. Happy birthday. Kumusta kayo na? Punta ka na.
Pauwi na siya. Get mo na lang si Rod ng Merry Christmas.
Oo, dito ka na lang. Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday, ha?
Happy birthday.
50th birthday na niya.
Man. 50th birthday na. Hindi ako ang nakakapit.
Bata ka pa na, Rod. Bakit ka na magiging 50? Iyak pala magiging 50. Sige, greet na lang. I-greet mo na lang siya. Sige. I-greet mo si Rod. Baka may pinaskuhan ka. Sige. Smile, God. Smile.
Napakasilugod.
I-Merry Christmas mo na rin.
Merry Christmas na na.
Sige. Pwede na ito.
Hi Ruth, belated 50th birthday. Hope that you had a wonderful time spending it with your friends and family. We wish you a happy holiday and a bountiful new year. God bless.
Happy birthday, Lily! More birthday to come and God bless you and God help.
Hi Lily, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo. Stay humble. Kahit minsan nagkakasamaan tayo ng loob, maya wala na yan. Sana bawasan mo ng pag-inom ng mga soft drinks. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
50th birthday, Ate Lily. God bless you. Praying for your good health, more wealth forever. Praying for your protection and safety forever. God bless you.
Hi, Ruth. Happy birthday! Thank you for checking on me when I was not very active in Facebook. Soon I will be. Kaya makulit ka. Kasi kaya ka na be active again. Happy birthday, and basta you know that we love you, and thank you for all the support. So we also support you in everything, right? You're a true friend, and no matter how frank you are, we accept you because we like that kind of friend. And hope to see you next year. Bye-bye. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Rod! Happy 50th birthday, Zach.
Happy 50th birthday?
I don't know.
50th birthday. 50th?
Happy birthday to
Bye-bye.
you. Bye.
Hello.
happy birthday. Thank you kanino papakaon na ako. More blessings to come. And more birthdays to come. Thank you, thank you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Lily. Happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best. And thank you so much for inviting us before during your birthday celebration. And I wish you all the best. At sana mahanap mo na yung true love mo. At yung the best na deserve mo kasi napakabait mo po. And thank you for meeting you. Nice meeting you po. And happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Birthday na ni Lily, birthday na ni Lily, birthday ni Lily ngayon. Let's get out!
Happy birthday! Sana ngayon 2026 lagi kang masaya at laging malusog, walang anumang karamdaman na dumating sa iyo. Always be happy. Happy, happy birthday! Mwah!
Happy birthday! Best wishes, good health, always happy, ate.
Happy birthday, Lee! Wish granted. Wishing you more good health, blessing, and stay pretty as always. Happy birthday, Lee! We love you! Mwah!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Lily. May your wishes and may your heart's desires be filled with God's love. And always remember that you will always be loved. Enjoy your day! Happy birthday!
Hello there, Ate Lily. Happy birthday. Mag-asawa ka na kayo. Di baling malaokra. Basta makatikim ka. Kasi panay tanong mo, happy birthday, God bless. And good health.
Ate Lily, good morning. Happy 50th birthday to you. Ang wish ko sana is more blessings and happy life. At alam mo na yon, sana magkaroon ka pa rin na jowa or magiging asawa para talagang happy ka. Nasa iyo na ang lahat and God bless you. Thank you. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you, Ate Lily.
Hi Ruth, happy 50th birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come, more blessings, and good health to you. Take care. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Lily. God bless you and more power.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, ayan, may kanta pang kasama yan ha. Happy birthday, Lily. Stay as sweet as you are. More blessing, more friends. Alam ko marami kang friends. Kasama na kami doon. At inuulit ko, maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Day mo to. So, lahat para sa'yo. O, diba? Lahat ng bagay, ay bahala ka. It's your day. Stay happy. More blessing to come. Happy birthday again. Love you.
Alright, to our birthday celebrant, here is a birthday song for you. Today is your birthday, your very special day. You must be happy more than It's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, your most awaited day. You can hear the voices of your loving friends singing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy birthday, a happy birthday to you. Look at the sunshine rising up above, shining down the mountains, surrounded by the lakes. Look at the birds flocking down the trees, singing sweet melodies on your most awaited day. You can hear the voices of your loving friends singing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy birthday, a happy birthday to you. Everyone is wishing a happy, happy birthday, a happy birthday to you. Happy, happy birthday.
Ganda na.
Ready, get set.
Teka lang po kung ano. Teka lang kung baka hindi ko na video. Okay na, mandar na yan. Sige na.
Tumigas man yun.
Sige na. Okay.
Ready?
Sige na,
Get
kasi na.
set, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Teka lang, may lalo ano yan.
Happy birthday to you.
Sige lang, sige mas ulit pa.
Happy birthday to you.
Hindi pa natatapos eh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Sige pa.
Happy birthday to
Sige pa, hindi pa naman ano. Ulitin mo.
Happy birthday
Kaya paano may
to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Nakapagod ka. May hinahano kasi ito yan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Ayan, happy birthday.
Ay, ang cute.
Yan.
Ganon.
Happy birthday. It's my birthday.
Wow, ang cute.
Diba?
Happy birthday, Nin. Happy birthday, Bodoy. Pati mo din yung
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Kabirthday rin niya.
Teka lang, sige.
Budoy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burning tonight.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Idosin mo na natin yung thank you.
Sige na, sige. Hello, Ruth. Hello, Ruth. Happy birthday. You're a golden year. Thank you for the invitation. I wish you good health, happiness, as well as success in your career. Your classmates here invited me, and I'm so proud of you. It's a happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. And the star burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. And the star burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello, hello, hello. Thank you sa nagbigay sa akin. Yung kapitbahay namin dito. Na lucky birthday. Tama ba? Oo, tama. Oo, yung katulong ng isang bahay kasambahay.
Oo, kaibigan.
Oo, kaibigan. Oo. Kapatid yun sa atin, kapatid niya. Ito yung, anong pangalan niya dun sa taas?
Sino?
Yung ano katulong
Ambot, wala
kasambahay.
niya.
Ito binigay din sa akin.
Tapok.
Thank you. Ha?
Mura ba yun?
Ay, kay Mama Nora, bahay ng may-ari.
Ay, ano yan siya, mag?
Oo. Tapos, ito yung,
Tamimi.
si
Yung ano, mag?
Tamimi boys.
Tamimi Boys. Thank you, thank you.
Dapat yung kay Biso, hindi mo na yung pizza, no?
Thank you, Tamimi Boy.
Ay, sa Tamimi Boys yan.
Tamimi Boy. Taga naman ng towel. Towel dyan ako, towel.
Dapat i-display mo.
Thank you.
Tuwalya.
Wow.
Tuwalya.
Thank you. Nasaan ba ito? Ito? Ayan na to. Yung nurse. Na ano yung dito na malapit na hospital. Ayan. Thank you ito.
Baso.
Okay, naglamig na. Pag-travel na naman.
Mag-uli.
Mag na naman.
Marami ka ng mag.
Jesus na po. Okay
Oo
lang.
nga, kagaya yung sa'yo, maliit lang. Mas maliit lang siya.
Thank you. Ikat mo naman, Dek, hindi mapapasok na ilang minute na. Oh, ito kay Ate Flor. Thank you kay Ate Flor. Yan na, kay Ate Flor na. Ang lalabas. Nag-gift
Ala, diaper?
Diaper.
Wow, ang ganda.
Thank you. Dalagang dalaga.
Thank you.
Thank you.
bear. Ang ganda, pwede mo lang yakapin. May pa, ano?
Si Ate Flor, hairstyle sa akin. Makeup.
Ganda. Parang ganyan yung teddy bear ng anak ko. Iba-iba lang.
Thank you. Hello, hello, hello. Ito kay Ate Lu. Guys, ang nag-makeup sa akin. Ito ang nag-hairstyle. Ang nag-hairstyle sa nag-makeup. Ilang dalawa? Yan.
Una nga, una. Andyan gunting ngayon eh.
Yan. Thank you. Yan. May ulan na naman ako.
Unan.
Thank you sa ulan. Pandagdag sa kama. Thank you. Thank you, Ate Lo. Hello, hello, hello. Thank you, Ma'am Joara. Mapkam na ba?
Tama ka.
At saka...
Yan ang pinagpinoyin niyo ko ah.
At saka... My watch. Thank you. Trend. Thank you. Thank you. HB.
Wow,
Thank you.
May diamond talaga na watch.
Tapos, at saka ito pa, my watch.
Dalawa, watch yung...
Ano to, yung
Apple
Hawaii.
Wow.
Hawaii.
Hawaii
na ano.
Parang sa doon sa cellphone.
Thank you so much.
Dalawang watch.
Hello, Ate Leia. Thank you. From Bahrain. Binigay sa akin. Thank you. My dear Lily. Happy 50th birthday to you. I love you, Ate Leia. Thank you. Mwah! Yan na. Titignan na natin kung anong binigay. Uy. Ping! I love you. Mwah! Yan. Thank you. Wow. Ano ba to? Huh? Ay! Wow, Lily! Thank you! 18K na? Gold from Ate Leia sa Bahrain. Ay, ano? Yan. Thank you, Ate Leia. Thank you. Ay, gagamitin ko na to ngayon. Yan.
Yan mo na.
Day, ikaw na lang maglagay, Day. Day.
Talaga to.